Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Dominican recipe. A lot of you have requested a lot of Dominican recipes, so this is one of them, and it's gonna be oxtail. So one of my subscribers suggested me to make this, and she specifically said to make it in a pressure cooker. So that's what I'm doing. A pressure cooker cooks things so fast and it is just easier. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what I have here in this bowl is my oxtail that I trim from excess fat and I rinse it really well. And this is how it is, this is how it's not too thick. So you make sure when you go to the butcher, you'll say, let me get an oxtail, and they will cut it. Maybe this is like an inch thick, because I've seen some oxtail that are so thick. You don't want that. You want it like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to season it with Dominican flavor. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken bouillon powder, or also known as the sazon that we use, Dominican oregano and black pepper. Sprinkle that on top of your oxtail. Also, we're going to go ahead and add some garlic paste. But if you don't have garlic paste, you can just use regular minced garlic. Add some soy sauce and some lime juice. If you want, you can also add sour orange, but it's hard to find sometimes, so I just use lime juice. So I'm just gonna mix everything together, and if you're not gonna cook it right now, I'm just gonna cover it with plastic wrap, and I'm gonna place it into the fridge until I'm ready to cook it. So as I said, I'm gonna make this in my pressure cooker. So in the pressure cooker, I added some oil and I allowed it to get hot. And now I'm gonna brown my oxtail for about 5 minutes, until you just develop some color. And then we're going to go ahead and add some allspice. So my mom said that if you add the allspice, it will take away that beefy taste. So, but this is optional, and just stir everything together. And now we're going to go ahead and add the water. So you're going to put the lid of your pressure cooker. And put that little thingy on top, and then we're gonna bring this mixture to a boil. You know it's at a boil because the pressure cooker will start making a sound like that sound. So that's when you know it's boiling. And at that time, you're gonna take your timer and cook it for exactly 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you want to make sure you release the air of your pressure cooker. Do not open this until you release all the air. That little thing on top, you're gonna release all the air. And once there's no more air, you can open it, because this is so dangerous. This can explode. That's why I brought my mom here, so she could help me make this, because I really didn't know how to use a pressure cooker. But it's very simple. You just gotta follow the instruction. Don't open that until all the air is out. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and it has some liquids in there. You're going to reserve that liquid. Don't throw it away, because we're gonna use it to make the sauce. So I'm gonna make like a well there in the center, and I added a little oil, and then I'm gonna cook there my onions and peppers, and just cook it there for about 2 to 3 minutes until they soften a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and add tomato paste. Stir everything together until the tomato paste is kind of dissolved, and then mix everything so that the oxtail is coated with the tomato paste. And then we're going to go ahead and add some of the liquid, the cooking liquid, because that's going to help make the sauce. And why would you use water when you have this stock, right? So just add it in there, mix it all together, and when it's mixed, we're going to go ahead and add some chopped cilantro. Mix it, and that is it, guys. So you can eat this with white rice and beans, anything you want really. So I'm gonna put links in the description box of rices that I made in this channel already, so you could eat it with that. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for oxtail. The recipe will be in the description box, and I also will add the instructions for the pressure cooker and without the pressure cooker, so you could, if you like oxtail, you can make this. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Dominican recipes, and I see you in my next upload. Bye.